Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Harshika A.V., Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today, I am going to discuss subject code AL3451, subject name Machine Learning, which is under Regulation 2021. In this session, we will be covering Unit 5, Design and Analysis of Machine Learning Experiments, specifically measuring classifier performance, assigning a single classification algorithm. Classification metrics. Classification problems involve predicting discrete categories such as yes or no, spam or not spam, and positive or negative classes. To evaluate the performance of classification models, we use four important metrics: accuracy, precision, recall, confusion metric. These metrics helps us understand how effectively the model makes predictions. Next, accuracy. Accuracy is one of the most commonly used metrics for evaluating classification models. It represents the proportion of correctly predicted instance out of the total number of prediction made by the model. Higher accuracy indicates better model performance. Formula: accuracy equal to total number of predictions divided by number of correct predictions divided by total number of predictions. The formula for accuracy is the number of corrected prediction divided by the total number of prediction. Example: model correctly predicts 90 samples out of 100 samples, then the accuracy of the model is 90%. Next, precision. Precision measures how many of the positive precisions made by the model are actually correct. It focuses on reducing false positive predictions. Precision becomes very important in applications where false alarms can have serious consequences, such as disease diagnosis. Precision formula: TP, that is true positive, which are correctly predicted positive cases; false positive, FP, which are incorrectly predicted positive cases. Higher precision means fewer false positive error. Recall's formula equal to TP divided by TP plus FP. False positive, true positives. Recall also known as Recall also known as sensitivity measures how many actual positive cases are correctly identified by the model. It is especially important that missing positive cases is costly, such as in cancer detection or fraud detection systems. Formula: recall equal to TP divided by TP plus Fn. Fn is nothing but false negative, TP is true positive. Next, confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is a tabular representation used to evaluate classification model. It compares the actual class labels with the predicted class labels and provides detailed information about correct and incorrect predictions. These help us understand where the model is making mistake. True positive. True positive TP refers to cases where the model correctly predicts a positive class. For example, if a patient actually has a disease and the model predicts disease present, it is considered a true positive. Next, true negative. True negative refers to cases where the model correctly predicts a negative class. For example, if a patient is healthy and the model predicts no disease, the prediction is called a true negative. False positive. False positive occurs when the model incorrectly predicts a positive class even though the actual class is negative. This is also called a type 1 error. For example, diagnosing a healthy person as a disease is a false positive. False negative. False negative occurs when the model incorrectly predicts a negative class even though the actual class is positive. This is known as a type 2 error. Next, confusion matrix table. The confusion matrix is divided into four regions: TP, TN, FP, FN, true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative. Using these four values, we can calculate metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. Comparison of classification algorithms. Different classification algorithm possesses different characteristics. Their performance depends on the type of data and application requirement. The commonly used classification algorithm include logistic regression, k-nearest neighbor, decision tree, support vector machine, Naive Bayes, and random forest. Logistic regression is a linear classification algorithm mainly used for binary classification problems. It is easy to interpret, require low training cost, and is suitable for application involving two classes. K-nearest neighbor is an instance-based learning algorithm capable of handling non-linear relationship. It has low training cost and work well for small data set. Decision tree. Decision trees are rule-based algorithms that provide very high interpretability. They are widely used when models explanations are important and can handle non-linear relationship effectively. Support vector machine (SVM) are margin-based algorithms that are particularly effective for high-dimensional data. Although they provide good accuracy, their training cost is relatively high. Naive Bayes. Naive Bayes is a probabilistic algorithm with very low computational cost. It is commonly used in text classification and spam filtering application. Random forest is an ensemble learning algorithm that combines multiple decision tree. It offers high accuracy and performance well on complex data sets, although it requires higher computational resources. Accuracy measures overall correctness. Precision measures the correctness of the positive predictions. Recall measures the ability to identify actual positive cases. Confusion metric provides detailed information about the classification trees. Different classification algorithms have unique strengths and are selected based on the problem requirements. Thank you.